Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class, 4th standard, part 1. Let's continue with the lesson fractions and decimals. Decimals. Observe these examples. Domestic cooking gas, gas fuel 14.6 kg. Cloth required to stitch a shirt is 2.5 meter. How is the quantity expressed in these examples? Right. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ 14.6 and 2.5. To know about such numbers, observe the next examples. Example square. Divide the square into 10 equal parts and color one part of it. This is written as 1 by 10 in fraction. This denotes 1 out of 10. This is written in another form as 0.1. This method of writing is called decimal system. We read it as 0.1. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. Divide the above square into 100 equal parts. If a part of it is colored, then how do you represent it in a fraction? It is written as 1 by 100. In decimal system, it is 0.01 and read it as 0.01. 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Example, a rectangle with 10 equal parts is given next. Color a part with red. Observe the denominator to write it in decimal form. In fraction, it is 1 by 10. In decimal, it is 0.1. ಅಂದರೆ 10 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 by 10. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡೆಸಿಮಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ 0.1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀರಾ. ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ 10 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಕಲರ್ 2 parts with green. To represent it in decimal form, observe the numbers denominator in the fraction. 2 by 10. In decimal, it is written as 0.2. If 3 parts of a given rectangle is colored with blue, it is represented as 0.3. 4 parts color ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 4 by 10 ಅಂದರೆ 0.4 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Fourth mean, observe the next circle. How many parts are shaded? 1 part. In fraction, it is written as 1 by 10. In decimals, 1 by 10 is written as 0.1 and it is read as 0.1. Next, 2 by 10 is written in decimals as 0.2. 3 by 10 is written in decimals as 0.3. Think. What does 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 indicate? By observing the above examples, know how the decimal fractions are related to one another. Note, to express a number in decimal, whole part must be divided into 10 equal parts. Next, let us learn how to represent decimals on a number line. Let us represent number from 1 to 10 on number line known to us. So 0 ಇಂದ 10 ವರೆಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Observe this situation. Between 1 and 2 there are 10 lines by measurement. On number line 0 to 1 is written as shown next. So 0 ಇಂದ 1 ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ 10 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. On which point on the number line is Teja standing? We call it as 0.1. We know this is a decimal. Where is Hasina on 0.3? Where is Manju on 1.0? Note, on the number line between 0 and 1, there are 10 equal parts. That 1 by 10 into 1 is equal to 1 by 10. Know this. 1/10 ಅಂದರೆ 1/10 is equal to 0.1 denotes the number of parts considered out of 10. 1/100 ಅಂದರೆ 1/100 is equal to 0.01 denotes the number of parts considered out of 100. How can we write decimal fractions in place value chart? Recall what you have learned about place value chart: 0, tens, hundreds, thousands. You have learned how to write 10 and 100 in place value chart. Think how to represent 1/10. ನೀವು ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ 1, 10, 100 ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. 1/10 ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ? 1000, 100, 10, 0 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ 1/10, 100 ಈ ಥರ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. 1/10 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 10, ಸೊ 0.1. 2/10 ಅಂದರೆ 0.2. 3/10 0.3. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ 1/100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 1, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 100. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 0.01. 2/100 ಅಂದರೆ 0.02. 3/100 0.03. Observe the point between unit and tens place. It is called decimal point. This separates from the whole part and the decimal fraction. Note: in a number, if there is a decimal point, it is called decimal number. Decimal is another form of expressing fractions. Decimal means the denominator in fractions is 10, 100, thousands and so on. Activity. Observe the next figure. Let the child to do this activity. Peter is measuring the length of a small pencil using a scale. Mary: Peter, what is the length of the pencil? Peter: the length of pencil is more than 3 cm but less than 4 cm. Mary: how to read it? I will help you to know how to read the measurements which are not whole numbers. Observe the scale. In this, 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Therefore, each part represents 1/10. 1/10 is called 0.1. It is read as 0.1 centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Peter, now tell me what is the correct length of the pencil? It is 3 centimeter and 8/10 of a centimeter. It means 3.8 centimeter. It is read as 3.8 centimeter. The number with point is called a decimal. Observe the above activity by representing on the number line. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 9.3. Read the next decimals given below and write them in words. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 0.2, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 0.5, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ 0.7, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ 0.21. ಅದನ್ನು 21 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 0.02, 0.15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. 0.3, ಸೊ 0.3, 0.6, 0.7, 0.4, 0.05. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್, write the next fractions in decimals. 1/10 is equal to 0.1, 2/10 0.2, 3/10 0.3, 5/10 0.5, 2/100 0.02, 5 by 100, 0.05. So this is the last exercise of the lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.